Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to design a professional KDP book cover using Canva and AI tools, whether you're making a notebook, journal, or low-content book. This tutorial is for you. A compelling book cover is paramount to attracting buyers and ultimately increasing your book sales. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to empower you to create stunning covers that stand out in the competitive marketplace, regardless of your design experience. Step 1. Mastering Amazon KDP Paperback Cover Requirements for 2025. Before diving into the design process, it's crucial to understand the specific requirements set by Amazon KDP for paperback book covers in 2025. All paperback covers must be one single PDF file that includes 3 parts: the front cover, the spine, and the back cover, all side by side. The total size depends on your trim size, like 6 by 9 inches, your page count, and your paper type. Step 2. How to use KDP Cover Size Calculator. Alright, let's go to the Amazon KDP Cover Calculator. Just open your browser, search KDP Cover Calculator. You'll see a tool where you enter your book's details, starting with the binding type. Select Paperback. Then, choose black and white for the ink type and white for the paper color. Set the reading direction to left to right, and for the trim size, enter 6 by 9 inches. Finally, type in your page count. Let's say 120 pages. Once everything's filled in, click Calculate Dimensions, and boom! You'll get the exact measurements for your full book cover, including the spine. Then, click Download Template, and you'll receive a zip file with a PDF guide that we'll use inside Canva to design your cover perfectly. Step 3. Designing a captivating front cover in Canva. Once you're logged into your account, click on the Custom Size. Here's the important part. Make sure you switch the units from pixels to inches, since KDP uses inches. Now, enter the width and height you got from the KDP cover calculator. These should include bleed, so double-check those numbers. Click Create New Design to open a blank canvas. Next, let's bring in the cover template. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head back to the KDP cover calculator, generate your custom template, and download it. In Canva, go to the Uploads tab on the left, then click Upload Files and select the template you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto your canvas and resize it so it fits edge to edge perfectly. This step is key. Your design has to align with the spine, front, and back cover. Now, lock the template in place so it doesn't shift around as you design. This template clearly marks where the spine is, where the barcode goes, and outlines the safe zones, the areas where your text and important elements should stay inside to avoid being cut off. Step 4. AI-generated Canva coverbook free. There are many great ways to do this. The is to use Canva built in AI tool. If you want even more customization or higher quality results, you can use free AI art generators like Ideogram or Leonardo. These tools let you enter similar prompts, but often give you more artistic, detailed, or stylized results. For this, we'll be using Leonardo, a powerful free tool that lets you create beautiful images just by describing what you want. This is a great way to design backgrounds, illustrations, or decorative elements that make your journal or planner stand out on platforms like Amazon KDP. To get started, go to Leonardo and sign up for a free account, if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Image Generation section. At the top of the page, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you type in your creative description. For example, if you're designing a gratitude journal, you could write something like, soft watercolor floral background, calming and minimal, natural light. If you're working on a kid's notebook or a coloring book, try something more playful like cute cartoon forest, colorful, cheerful style. The key is to describe the mood, color palette, and style you're aiming for. Next, choose the AI model you want to use. Adjust the image dimensions to something vertical, which works well for book covers. You can leave most other settings as they are, or tweak them if you're comfortable experimenting. Once your prompt and settings are ready, click Generate. After a few seconds, Leonardo will display a set of unique images based on your description. When you find one you like, just click on it to view it in full, and download it to your computer. Now, switch back to Canva, where you're building your KDP cover. Go to the Upload tab and drag and drop your new image in. You can use it as a background, layer your title and subtitle on top, or even crop and adjust it for a more customized layout. The result is a completely original design that looks professional and polished. No need to rely on common templates or stock photos. Step 5. Exporting your cover Canva PDF the right way. Once you're completely happy with your design, it's time to download the final version. But before you do, make sure to hide or delete the KDP template layer you were using as a guide. Then, in Canva, click on Share in the top right corner and select Download. From the file type options, choose PDF Print. The CMYK it is generally recommend for print. The free version of Canva might only offer RGB. In many cases, RGB is acceptable for most cover designs. Now, this ensures your cover meets KDP printing standards and that everything extends properly to the edges with no unwanted borders. Once that's done, click Download, and just like that, your professional cover is complete and ready to upload. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful content, and leave any questions or comments.